Good morning, viewers. Good morning, everyone. Today I have this question for you for grade 12, analytical geometry. It says in the diagram, the slightly censored at M. This is our sensor M. Is drawn as you can see. T and R 6 map 0 are the intercepts of the cycle. Here is T and R. The cycle, the tangent is drawn to the cycle at K5 map 7. This is a tangent here to it by the way corner. This is the point it passes through. Then let's go to questions. Our 10.1. This is question 10. 10.1 says M is a point on the line y equals to x plus 1. This is the line equation of a straight line. As you can see, it is written in a form y equal to mx plus c. Then, as you can see, it has a positive gradient. Therefore, it has a positive slope. It is an increasing function. You can see it's passed through this point. It passes through m. Then this equation is like this. Then the question says, write B in terms of A. B and A are coordinates of M. Then what we are given is this equation. To write B in terms of A, as you are given this equation, what you have to do is to just substitute these points, because A and B, which is regarded as the one set in this question, is these coordinates of M. We can substitute to this equation as they said that M is a point on the line y equals to mx plus c. Then if we substitute y, our y will be b. Then b equals to, then our x is a. Then plus 1. They said write b. Which would see lessons of b be subjects of the formula in terms of a. The number it doesn't matter. Then we can transport. Then it is like this. As you can see, it is 1 mark. We already done. Then for 10.2, they say calculate the coordinates of M. It's 5 marks. The coordinates of M are coordinates of the center of the circle which you are given. Then it is 5 marks. What we can do with what we are given, we don't have the length of the radius. The length of the radius we don't have, because this is a cycle. We also don't have the equation of the cycle. But what we have is this equation. This equation we are given. Then also what we can find maybe the equation of this line.